A percent word problem. The author of a book was told that she would have to cut the number of pages by 12% for the book to sell at a popular price and still make a profit. Step 1. If these cuts were made, what percent of the original number of pages was in the final version? So think about what a total percent amount would be. It would be 100%. If you're cutting 12%, you would do 100% minus 12%, which would equal 88%. That's the percent of the original number of pages that would be in the final version. So step 2, if the finished book contained 324 pages, how many pages were in the original form? Round your answer to the nearest integer. So we know that the finished book contained 324 pages, but we don't know how many total pages were in the original form. But we do know that 324 pages would be that 88% that would be in the finished book. And so this is how we would set it up with a proportion. So 324 over x, that would be the amount of pages that were in the original form. That's got to equal that 88%, which would be 88 over 100. And then we're going to do our cross multiplication here. So we're going to do 324 times 100. And then we're going to do 88 times x. And so those are going to equal each other. So then we're going to simplify. We're going to do the multiplication. So we get 32,400 equals 88x. Then we're going to divide both sides by 88, since 88 is attached to the x. And when we do that, we're going to get x equal to be 368 pages. Step number 3. If the finished book contained 324 pages, how many pages were cut? Round your answer to the nearest integer. We know that 368 pages were in the original book, and then the finished book contains 324 pages. So if we take 368 minus 324, that's going to equal 44 pages. That would be how many pages that were cut.